Do you need woodworking adhesives that combine performance with sustainability? Clean, easy to handle and extremely user-friendly, our wood and furniture glues are used in demanding edge banding, soft forming, profile wrapping, foam bonding and top laminating applications around the world, providing strong adhesion with a virtually invisible glue line to enhance the overall appearance of the final product. Bond security is guaranteed in areas of high moisture and heat, where wood furniture is often used, and compatibility with almost all commercial edging and profile wrapping, including PVC, HPL, solid wood, melamine and wood veneer, ensures manufacturers can invest in the latest design options with confidence. Adhesives are available with high and low viscosities, with bio-based content to increase sustainability, in both filled and unfilled grades for different price points, and in different adhesive technologies, for application-specific adhesion, heat resistance, and line speed requirements. Fast-set adhesives that allow manufacturers to coat, cure, and cut in an effective single-pass operation to keep production output high, with productivity further enhanced thanks to our adhesives' clean, smear-free, trouble-free running that helps to reduce line stoppages and limit material waste. So, if you're looking for a hot melt that bonds performance with sustainability, choose Beardo Adams.